Hello children, today we will see action of dilute acids on salts. This is the last topic for the chapter study of acids, bases and salts. Okay, so it's a very small part of the lesson which you need to do. We have already seen these, but let's see them again. Okay, so what kind of action will dilute acid have on salts? Acids decompose salts and produce different types of products. So we are going to see how these reactions are. So how do acids decompose various types of salts? So which are the different types of salts we have? We have carbonates, we have chlorides, we have nitrates, bicarbonates. So let's see how acid will react with these salts. So first, decomposition of carbonates by acids. So what is a carbonate? Carbonate is something that contains a CO3 group. So when you have a CO3, what are you going to get from a CO3? You are going to get a carbon dioxide. You are going to get a CO2 from that. So carbonates decompose to liberate carbon dioxide and produce corresponding salts and water. So let's see an example. So we see calcium carbonate reacts with HCl to give us calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So we have seen here when there is a calcium carbonate, it reacts to give us carbon dioxide. So from a CO3 we can get a CO2. Okay. Now let us see decomposition of bicarbonates. Bicarbonates also is very close to carbonates. Bicarbonate is nothing but a HCO3. So from HCO3, that is hydrogen carbonate, from a HCO3, what are you supposed to get? We will definitely get again a carbon dioxide here. Okay. So carbonates decompose to liberate carbon dioxide and produce corresponding salts and water. So let's see an example. So we see calcium carbonate reacts with HCl to give us calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So we have seen here when there is a calcium carbonate, it reacts to give us carbon dioxide. So from a CO3 we can get a CO2. Okay. Now let us see decomposition of bicarbonates. Bicarbonates also is very close to carbonates. Bicarbonate is nothing but a HCO3. So from HCO3, that is hydrogen carbonate, from a HCO3, what are you supposed to get? We will definitely get again a carbon dioxide here. Okay. So decomposition of bicarbonates by acid. Acids decompose bicarbonates to liberate carbon dioxide and produce corresponding salts and water. Let's see an example. Sodium bicarbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid HCl to give us sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So here also we see that when a bicarbonate HCO3 reacts with acid, it gives us or it liberates carbon dioxide. It can only give what it has, so it gives out carbon dioxide. Let's see decomposition of chlorides by acids. So chloride salt is decomposed by concentrated sulfuric acid. In this reaction, hydrogen chloride gases form. So when chlorides react with acids, especially if the salt is a chloride salt, we can get hydrogen chloride gas. Let's see the reaction. NaCl plus H2SO4, that is sodium chloride and sulfuric acid, react to form sodium bisulfate and hydrochloric acid. Children, this is a very important reaction. This reaction is very important because it comes as a lab preparation for HCl. This is a very, very important reaction that you need to remember. NaCl plus H2SO4 giving you NaHSO4 plus HCl. This is also the laboratory preparation for HCl. So a very important reaction. Now we'll see decomposition of nitrates. So what does nitrate contain? We know nitrate contains a NO3 group. NO3 group. So naturally from a NO3 group, what are we looking to get? The product that we can get could be a nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide can be got from a NO3 group. So let's see how it goes. Nitrate salts decompose on heating with concentrated sulfuric acid. So NaNO3 plus H2SO4 gives us NaHSO4 plus HNO3. Okay, so we know that we have one more chapter here, nitric acid. This also chemical reaction is a very important chemical reaction. It's also the laboratory preparation for nitric acid, HNO3. And one more thing here, HNO3 can further decompose. You can see in the text, HNO3 further decomposes to give you water, H2O plus oxygen plus NO2, that is nitrogen dioxide. So we get a brownish color gas, nitrogen dioxide, when only nitric acid is heated. So nitric acid undergoes a separate decomposition, giving you nitrogen dioxide. So these are all the decomposition reactions that we have seen. So we have seen decomposition of carbonates. Carbonates give us carbon dioxide. Bicarbonates. Bicarbonates also give us carbon dioxide. Decomposition of chlorides and nitrates are some important reactions. In chlorides you can get HCl gas, and in the nitrate reaction we have seen preparation of the nitric acid or HNO3 gas. So these are the action of dilute acids on salts. Okay. So children, we have come to the end of this chapter, study of acids, bases and salts. The portions that is remaining in this chapter, that is general methods for preparation of salts, this is reduced from your syllabus for the exam 2021. So you do not have to study the preparations that are shown ahead. But anyway, what are the different methods for preparation of salts? Salts can be prepared by a direct combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double decomposition reaction, or neutralization reactions. Again, this portion will not be there for your final board exams this year in 2021.